What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. And today's project is this Craftsman leaf blower. In the last video we tried to save the ignition coil without any success. In this video we'll be replacing it. This is how we left the blower last time, and here's the replacement coil. It's a working used coil from another blower. Simply remove the two bolts and remove the bad coil. Instead of using a feeler gauge, I'm going to use this thin piece of cardboard to help gap the coil to the flywheel. Then replace the two bolts and tighten them securely. Before we put everything back together, let's test it to see if it works. And since it does work, let's reinstall the rear blower housing. And don't forget to feed the ignition kill wires through the housing at this point. Now reinstall the 4 screws that hold the engine to the rear housing. Once that's done, replace the blower fan, its washers, and the nut. Replace the grounding wire to the plastic post and reconnect the throttle lever to its linkage. And once that's done, put the throttle lever back on its post and check to see if there's any binding. Next, replace the rear cover and its 3 screws. We're almost done. The last thing is to replace the bottom bracket, the front part of the blower housing, and all its little screws. Replace the tube and its thumb screw now. Reconnect the kill switch and insert it back into its opening. Lastly, reinstall the spark plug. Put some mixed 2-cycle gas in there and let's start it, and hopefully it runs. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.